Imagine finding a document you thought was lost right when you need it most. It brings such a sense of relief, especially when it comes to important papers like your tax forms. For your W-2 tax forms, which show your annual wages and taxes withheld, the general rule of thumb is to keep them for 3 years from the date you filed your original tax return or the due date of your return, whichever is later. This is the recommendation for most people filing typical income tax. The reason for this 3-year guideline comes directly from the Internal Revenue Service, often referred to as the IRS. This period is known as the statute of limitations for auditing most tax returns. During this time, the IRS can audit your return, assess additional tax, or you can even claim a refund if you overpaid. However, there are exceptions. If you underreported your gross income by more than 25% of the gross income shown on your return, the IRS has 6 years to assess additional tax. And if you filed a fraudulent return or did not file a return at all, there is no time limit for the IRS to take action. It is also important to remember that state tax authorities might have different retention periods, so it is always wise to check your specific state's rules. To keep these forms safe and easily accessible, consider organizing them by year in a designated physical file. You can also scan them and save digital copies on a secure cloud service or an external hard drive. Make sure to back up your digital files regularly to prevent loss. Beyond W-2s, it is a smart practice to keep all supporting tax documents, like Forms 1099 for investments or independent contractor income, and receipts for deductions, for the same 3-year period. In some cases, like documenting property basis or for certain retirement contributions, you might need to keep records indefinitely. These specific situations, though less common, highlight the value of understanding your unique record-keeping needs. Maintaining organized and complete tax records, even just your W-2s for the recommended 3 years, gives you peace of mind and protects you from potential issues. It ensures you have the documentation ready if the IRS ever has questions, or if you need to refer back to your income history for loans or other financial planning. It is a simple habit that offers significant benefits for your financial well-being.